bịa kpere anyị ikpe, bịa kpere mụ na innocent Odinaka chi nọ mere ikpe. Enigwe na anị, bịa kpere anyị ikpe ọnwụ. Onye ụlọikpe mara ka ọnwụ bụrụ ya. Ọ bụrụ na ọnwụ awụjara adịn ka ikpe ọnwụ mara, ọnwụ bụrụ m. But ọ bụrụ na edebeghị m RIP na picture Odinaka chi nọ mere innocent, ọ ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Ọnwụ ga-achụgide ya, chụgide ya, chụgide ya, chụgbuo ya. Anyị ọwụla ọ na-azọ ga na-ekpe ya ikpe, na-ekpe ya ikpe, na-aga. As I have come before the dead, I have come to a place of justice, a place where I come to seek justice. I have come to a place of ritual. Of course, I know the implication of what I'm doing. Of course, I'm here with my right senses. And of course, I have come to seek for vengeance, for judgment. This me and Odinaka chi no mere. This is his picture. That is him. That is his picture of his life yesterday's program. I have dropped 7 cloves and 7 osoji. Anyway, nani. Obu no mwa mejoro. Obu na edego m RIP na n'ishi ụmụ nwanne ya na ishi ya na nke nne ya. Ka ọnwụ bịara m, ọnwụ gbuo m, gbuo ezinụlọ m. But ọ bụrụ na edebeghị m ya before, ọ bụrụ family m niile na-ede RIP. Ọnwụ ga-egbu ya, gbuo ezinụlọ ya niile. Ọnwụ ga-egbu ya na Vietnam, aka ka ọ gba shi Malaysia ala Vietnam. Ozi ya ka ga-eburu. Ashom ka ndị niile n'ebe, all the dead here and the living watching me. If I've ever written RIP on Jim Innocent Odinaka Chinomere from MBC, let these witnesses, the dead, let the spirits of the dead, let them judge me and destroy me. But if I have never written anything RIP on Nomere Odinaka Innocent, let the spirit of death chase after him. Let him die a miserable death. Let him never have peace of mind, even in his grave. Let him never see anything good in his life. He said, this drink is a drink used all over the world. It's a drink for the ancestors. The ancestors value it. Some people might call it vodka, but I remember reading it up. This drink is for prayers, for either good things or for bad things. The ancestors accept it for a good prayer, a prayer of vengeance or a prayer of vindication. Aneji manyoko atwaja ekelende mo ekelende madu ekelende nna kruchanya our ancestors manyoko ke eji akwara hongo. So abiokola no with manyoko for his rituals for onwu ya ada me emeri ebere nwoke di mkpa ga-emepe anya si na ụmụ mmadụ na ezinụlọ mmadụ ka ọ ga-apụta n'ihu onyonyo efere mba ụwa niile bupụta picture ndị mmadụ kemgbe 2020 na-ede ha RIP agbachi ọnụ. This is how I'm coming to seek my own vengeance. The great ancestors, you see, I send him to the spirit world. I send him to the land of the dead. May he sleep and never wake up. May his soul be accepted. As he keeps writing innocent people RIP, so shall death visit him. So shall he have deaths in his lineage. I get bozy ala. Onwegi homo wala ga biere ya. Aka ka ogba ala from Malaysia la Nigeria. Ozi aka ga bozy ala. No mere Odinaka chi innocent. Osan karia osa ka ga share. But for those of you that want to come and screenshot my hand, I hope you're ready to come and screenshot. As I bury no mere Odinaka chi, people, I like to keep to my promise. Anytime Jim Venza Odinaka chi runs a program and shows any member of my family the following day, I will come to those people here to come and seek revenge. All those people here, all over, buried here. I will come here to be burying him. He feels he's alive, but spiritually, he's gone. So for those of you who want to screenshot my hand, oh yeah, let me turn the camera around so that people can screenshot. Hold on. So people can screenshot very well. I hope not gonna go see a hair. Can't put you anyway, Nani. Anyway, I hope say I put you. Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, oh la la. No mere innocent, Odinaka chi, oh la la, oh la. Elielamuya, Elielamuya, so shall rest in peace be in his life. Oh la la, oh la la. Now the screenshots, now don't screenshots, now don't screenshots, screenshot though for your pages. Come on, come on, come on. Apupure, Jekubebo, screenshots. A man supporting evil. In Jekubebo Kinsley, screenshots. Oh yeah, Jinjin Benza. Onwa lily. Onwe informa ga biara again. Odindo nwura nwoka gi mma. You are living but you are dead. Nothing good will ever amount in your life. They will take your corpse back as you keep writing innocent children that have never done anything to you. Rest in peace. So will you rest in peace. So will they carry your corpse, even if they will see your corpse. So because I got to give, you will be a forgotten being. Onwegi hama obuleti nyiraka gana agaragi agana ebozugi agana ebozugi manandu manonwu agana apugasu ebe obule lirigi aga abugide gasu tili nwo no mere innocent Odinaka chi 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 bó ṣe ń pè orúkọ ló ń jẹ́ bí mo ṣe pè é yìí náà ni kò ṣe jẹ́ mi o ikú ere o mo ti sin ẹ́ o gbé láyè òkú ẹ ló máa gbìn o ní nísinmi láyé ẹ òkú ere o Odinaka chi èkeje ni mo ti pè yẹn ó gbọ́dọ̀ dá mi lóhùn wàá dá mi lóhùn wàá dá mi lóhùn mo ti sin ẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó dára láyé ẹ ni mo ti sípa o ní nísinmi òkú ni mama experience ní ara lé yín kò sí nǹkan rere tó máa bá yín bí mo ṣe wí yẹn náà ló ṣe máa jẹ́ àmín 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 àmín. Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, Odinaka chi, oh la la. Oh, you know when you plant something, you water it for it to germinate. So, when you're Odinaka chi, those people pushing you, they have to push you the more because I want to be coming to bury you. Or after church, ma biokora gi bury ground bia liegi. Na omu na agi. Na me and you for this war. Igbo so wuogi. Igbo so na your rituals. Onwu wuogi. Onwu asimi Igbo so igbe eligwe ku wuogi. Igbo so they watch your burial ground. Come and watch where I come bury you. our war just started. Ijawashe Bereni. Oh God. People, they come, make I wear my this thing. Yes. Eli lam that one. And was on Gia standby. In case I put that later today, my was Sunday. So print him another one. In case will colored and car will pay black. In car open up tata echi, my bacabia. I ready for you. You go hear him. You go receive sense. You got no choice. I will be your end on this social media. I will be your end. No mere Odinaka. I will be your end. We go to bury ourselves. They go. I got a boom one. You lay me. I and them monozio. Yan and them more. Yan and them monozi. Eli lamia. Aqua lamiaka. O join the ancestors. Ya. Kong Mogawa. Or working on to him. I'm going to Ibe in the name majority RIP. You understand? Can't cut to go. So Jim Venza. If you could a belly, eba kadim myself. Elufrunegi ni more here. Can't you go see you dream more ye? Elufrunegi. Negi Elizabeth no mere. Negi ne when he killed you is what they feel. Why you mado? Ira laya. On a mocona this Jim Venza Garosco. Jim Venza. Nime busheba usaketu frunegi. Njeboka sheba kitanga funegi. Nga febretu frozen negi Elizabeth no mere ozun negi. Negi na azurogi. Negi sigite de wom unde madu RIP. Negi the useless, that your useless mother. That's negi aho. Botara onye nwoke na-ere nwoke nzuzu. Hey, abom negonu, abom namurugonu. No wonder. So all the things your mates may achieve. The only thing he may achieve, no wagi, Muhammad. Jim Venza, all your years in Malaysia, what did you achieve? What property? At least in the Madraga, me zuoshi measa, zute something good. You understand? Zoye the good. Jia roll back. Most of these people, all these rich people were in hotel back in Nigeria and all that. Most of them, when they be obodo yibo bambo, save we go raw something. Most of them, Oshika Hanzuru. Most people be in an Asian country, Oshika Hanizu. Most people be in Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Cambodia. Most of these women work on Yori Kahanezu. At least Hanezu Yazu put out something. Jim Venza. Is there anything attached to your name? Or when you made attached to your name, the answer is no. Why? Because you're useless more than negi. Okwe from okrom yesterday MP. Okwa MP from yesterday. If wakbu okra di hammer. This only an investment. People can't see comments. Okay, I forgot comments now. His only investment. On with in Vietnam and in Malaysia. Something that he will have treasured, protected. See, so Hama come with it. Hama will my treasure. Or call my kids, or call my mom. I name me the thing enjoy. The more na koya, the thing dika as if neji foam, my foam na bread, like $80 na and Nyegi pounds and dollars. That is how it felt. But you know why Inji feel sorry for the young man? The young man refused to realize that that is his only achievement in this world. Do you know that there is nothing to attach to Odinaka's life? Onwokita, onwokwagi property. Imagine he cannot even help his own brother. Why? Because imagine working in a race. Or broken on our supply, or broken on one with the factory. On a nara, ore, on with the one jai, maybe like a 5,000 naira commission. You understand? Nothing. Obi Ogana shop nde mmadụ. Ojene egosi, ana erisi. You go to Niasia, how many sales can you go? Poor thing. Why? Because poverty stinks in Jim Venza's family. Maya the useless. Maya all the useless. Oh yeah, me send the RIP. Janet Janet to phone yana dia. Oh Jesus, Obra Jesus. Why? Because they are poor. If they actually had money, and Jim Venza's no go okay with lawyer, they should have taken a legal action. But Jim Venza enwerego. Ego na akpari nwoke. Ego kpariri the guy Peter ya pim. Ego Peter the guy. Onwero the value. Onwero value ego Peter ya may you do useless. That is why in Afuya obia investments on etinye gwa wo hammer or alcohol. On our own mind like this, because that is how we will end. That is the mind game. Nothing. The mortgage goes in the way also. So nothing good will ever come out of him. Anyway, people, free later. I lela mia. Even no tutu. With morning time, na dimma for burial. So later. Come gabia time lunch. Kambia pia saga. Kambia beria ya. Komrana Adam ready for him. Jim. Ligi mana bagi saga. Just to tell the world that you are nobody. Muna Igbo so wogi. Any day you stop writing my kids. Just like any day I stop going to burial ground. Kurugi. Any day you stop writing any member of my family RIP or showing them. Instantly. So you need to. I want you to throw challenge. In my that time, maybe I go chichi no rongi, Kinsley no rongia, me legi sigi. What can you cook? Oh, by shiaki, Mirano Nishia, empty coconut brain. I look here and laugh because I know what. It won't go. It won't Yo, you think I'm one of those that come and give you money? Hey, nah. I am not one of those that will stoop so low to come and bribe you or to come and give you saga goats. Igeri goat riwo onwegi. Igeri onuga nagide go because uno neju acho gechi nagide go ego ebu ni ebo generation uno. Jim, come and bring it the fuck on. Igbo so wogi uzogi ni kuchikwa. You need to come out and be showing, and I'm happy you bought hammer. And I'm happy I have burial ground. And I am so happy because you will be the first person I'll take to burial ground in 2025. It's my promise to you. Any day you show any member of my family, I will take you. I already have a spare picture. So that in case you come out today to come and do gospel and come and do gossip, the following day, I will go and bury you. It's a promise. And I ain't stepping down anytime soon. I ain't stepping down. Do you comprehend my English? Do you understand that English? I ain't stepping down anytime soon. The war continues. People, I gotta go. Bye.